Hey, it's Lindsay Gramont, the Homemade Mommy, and today I am making and testing out some recipes for a pumpkin spice room spray because tonight I'm hosting a pumpkin succulent and room spray class here locally in Austin, but I wanted to share the recipe with you because it's super easy. So I have these cute little 2-ounce glass spray bottles, and I have some pretty labels I'm going to put on them later. I'll share a link to those. So first I just have an empty bottle and I put a pinch of salt inside. That's how I like to disperse them. You can also fill up half the bottle with vodka or witch hazel, but I always just do the pinch of salt. It's easier for me. So it's probably about, I don't know, 1/8 of a teaspoon or 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I use the fine grain Celtic sea salt, not the iodized salt. And I'm gonna do 4 drops of orange oil. 1, 2, 3, 4. Absolutely love the smell of orange. Could probably just make a spray just with that. And then I'm going to do 3 drops of cinnamon bark oil. 1, 2, 3. And that's just going to soak right into that salt in the bottom. I'm going to do 1 to 2 drops of nutmeg. Sometimes 2 comes out. It's fine. And a couple of drops of clove. And a couple of drops of ginger. And then I'm going to fill it with some distilled water, very carefully here. And that's it. Put the top on, shake it up, and I can put this in anywhere in the house, usually in the bathrooms, right? But just anything just for a nice spritz right when I get home to make everything smell really homey and fall-like because, I don't know, we're here in Austin and it's not so fall here yet. It's actually still pretty hot in the 90s, but this is a nice way to make it smell like fall. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.